There are only two barriers preventing individuals from creating content and earning passive income online: money and skills. But fear not, today you don't require any expertise or expenditure to produce the content I'm about to showcase in this video. Moreover, I won't take much of your time, as this brief presentation will cover everything you need to know from creating the videos to methods of monetization. Additionally, you don't need to be located in a specific region to engage in this endeavor. You've likely encountered similar animations across platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. These videos consistently captivate audiences, eliciting substantial engagement in the comment sections. While various types of animations exist, the most prominent ones include white cartoons and stick figures, particularly those created by an individual named Rico, renowned as a master in this field. Let's view one of his recent videos together. Now, let's consider the stick animation type, as it's the simplest and entirely cost-free to produce. However, it's crucial to follow all steps outlined in the video meticulously, as skipping even one might result in your videos lacking coherence, leading to minimal views. So, pay close attention to these straightforward steps. You may wonder how people monetize such cartoon animations. There are three primary methods: YouTube AdSense and the TikTok Creativity Program, collaborations and partnerships with brands, and creating original characters for educational or advisory content. Bearing these benefits in mind, let's dive straight into making the videos. Firstly, we'll draft a short script using ChatGPT, then generate the audio using 11 Labs, create the character using Adobe Express, and finally, compile and edit everything using CapCut. Let's commence the process. The initial step is to visit ChatGPT and craft the script for your chosen story. In my case, I've selected famous dad jokes, but you're free to choose any niche that interests you. Once ChatGPT provides the responses, we move to 11 Labs and register for a free account, enabling us to generate up to 10,000 characters at no cost. After selecting an appropriate voice, we paste the script from ChatGPT and generate the audio. Now that we have the audio ready, let's proceed to generate the character using Adobe Express. Creating the character is remarkably straightforward. Simply navigate to Adobe Express in your browser, register for a free account, and select the Animate from Audio option. Choose your desired character from the available options. Select a background, and upload your audio file. After a brief wait, your animation is ready for download. Repeat this process for any remaining audio files. Finally, import the clips into CapCut, assemble them, adjust the background if needed, add captions and sound effects, and voila, your video is complete. Now, let's watch the final product. But before we do, I've noticed that 95% of my audience isn't subscribed to the channel, so please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantastic content. Now, onto the jokes. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. Why couldn't the bicycle stand up by itself? Because it was too tired. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. Thank you for watching and see you soon.